These two former Kings dancers are also representing dancers that are suing the singer Lizzo. This 28-page lawsuit filed today in Sacramento Superior Court claims that those two women were harassed, but that the Kings did nothing.
Unfortunately, when something like this happens, we can't turn back time.
But a lawsuit can be filed, and two former Sacramento Kings dancers are doing just that. They're suing the team and its choreographer Matthew Day, alleging sexual harassment, inappropriate touching, and retaliation. The lawsuit claims that both women, who were only identified as Jane Does, witnessed Day inappropriately touching other dancers' buttocks, adding that Day would linger on the dancers' bodies, specifically the legs and backs, without consent during the 2022-2023 season. Attorneys representing the two women tell me the alleged behavior created an unsafe space.
It creates a very hostile work environment because not only are you witnessing something that you're afraid is going to happen to yourself in public, but now you're getting these private messages.
That includes Day allegedly sending flirtatious comments and emojis over Instagram to one of the women and inviting her to his personal studio.
These unwanted messages on social media, DMs, asking if they want to do private lessons, sending his phone number.
The other woman claims that Day used her photos to try and solicit business for her with another company, sending her Instagram photos to a third-party promotion company without her consent.
This is not something other than I want to know how I could sexualize and monetize that more.
Both dancers say they complained to Human Resources, but
when these things were brought up to the organization, they did one thing, which was we'll look into it, and then they did nothing.
The women also claim the team retaliated against them by making last-minute changes to auditions for this season, making it so neither dancer made the team.
Somehow they empowered Mr. Day more to choose who gets on the team, and guess who didn't get on it? The people who complained.
In a statement to KCRA 3, a Sacramento Kings representative says, quote, "While we have not been served, we are aware of the recent filing. We take all allegations of harassment seriously. The organization does not comment on active litigation." Yeah, and the two former dancers are looking for getting damages back, including for back wages, loss of earnings, and for emotional distress. The attorneys tell me that that's what they'll be seeking during a jury trial. Reporting live from the Golden One Center tonight, Orca Manna, KCRA 3 News.
Orca, thank you for looking into that lawsuit.